Today we're taking a fun trip through the United States of America. America is huge with all kinds of people and ways of living. Don't worry if it seems confusing, we'll break it down together. We'll explore how people live, what they eat, how they work, and what they do for fun. Think of me as your tour guide giving you a peek into daily American life. We'll talk about small things like saying hello at the grocery store and big things like what Americans value. This isn't a history lesson, it's about real life right now. We'll look at city apartments, suburban homes, and what's for dinner. Americans work hard, but they love to have fun too. And yes, they really love their cars. Whether you're planning a visit, have American friends, or just watch a lot of movies, this is for you. Sometimes life here is just like the movies, sometimes it's not. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of what it's like to walk in an American's shoes. Maybe you'll even pick up a dance move or two, just kidding, or am I? So grab a snack, get comfy, and let's dive in. Ready? Let's start our journey through America. You'll see the big, the small, and the quirky. Let's go. Americans are known for being friendly and open. It's common for strangers to smile or say hello on the street. In shops you'll hear, "How are you today?" Just reply with a simple, "I'm good, thank you." Compliments are normal, even from strangers. "I love your shoes," is just a way to connect. Personal space matters. People stand about an arm's length apart and keep space in lines. If you look lost, someone might offer help or directions. In smaller towns, neighbors might bring a pie to welcome you. Americans are informal. First names are used even at work. In the South you might hear sir or ma'am as a sign of respect. Hand gestures and laughter are common in conversation. Just smile, be yourself, and say hello. Most Americans will be happy you did. It's all about making everyone feel comfortable and welcome. Where do Americans live? It depends. In big cities, many live in tall apartment buildings, close to shops, restaurants, and parks, but often noisy and crowded. In the suburbs, families usually have single-family houses with yards, more space, quieter, and great for barbecues. Kitchens are the heart of the home, where families gather to eat and talk. Many kitchens have an island for quick meals or homework. Living rooms are for relaxing, with big sofas and TVs for movies and sports. Americans love to decorate for holidays. Pumpkins for Halloween, lights for Christmas, flags for the 4th of July. Driving around to see holiday decorations is a favorite family activity. Homes change with the seasons, making neighborhoods feel festive. Whether it's a city apartment or a suburban house, comfort and togetherness matter. American homes reflect the country's diversity and love for celebration. Each home tells its own story. That's home, American style. American food is a mix of many cultures, but fast food is everywhere. Think burgers, fries, pizza, and fried chicken. Still, many Americans cook at home, with huge grocery stores offering ingredients from around the world. Breakfast might be cereal, toast, or eggs and bacon. Lunch is often a sandwich like the classic peanut butter and jelly. Dinner is the main meal, maybe roasted chicken, spaghetti, or tacos. Eating out is popular for celebrations or just for fun, with every kind of restaurant imaginable. Diners serve comfort food like pancakes and milkshakes all day. Coffee is a daily ritual, at home or from coffee shops like Starbucks. People grab coffee on the go, meet friends, or work in coffee shops. From fast food to home-cooked meals, food brings people together. It's about convenience, variety, and sharing time with others. That's the American menu. In America, hard work is a core value. People believe it leads to success. Most work Monday to Friday, 9 to 5, though some jobs have different hours. Being on time is important. Meetings start right on schedule. Time management matters. People use calendars and to-do lists to stay productive. Lunch breaks are short, often just 30 minutes. After work, Americans look forward to the weekend. Time for rest, fun, and family. Work hard, play hard sums it up. Effort during the week, relaxation on weekends. Weekends are for hobbies, chores, or just catching up on sleep. Many spend time outdoors, visit friends, or have barbecues. Sundays are quieter, some go to church, others relax at home. The work week is busy, but balance is key. It's all about getting things done, then enjoying life. That's the American work rhythm. To understand America, you have to understand its love for cars. Most families have at least one car. Driving is a symbol of freedom and independence. In big cities, many use public transportation like subways and buses, or ride-sharing apps. In the suburbs, daily routines revolve around the car, school runs, commutes, errands. Long commutes are common. Some spend hours in traffic each day. America's land throughs and convenience are everywhere. Car culture brings freedom, but also traffic and pollution. Still, for most, the car is king. Whether driving or riding the subway, getting around is a big part of American life. The daily routine is built on movement and independence. That's the American way to go. After a busy week, Americans love to relax and have fun. Watching movies is a favorite, at theaters with popcorn or at home with streaming services. Sports are huge. Football, baseball, and basketball bring people together, whether it's stadiums or watching on TV. Tailgate parties and sports bars make game days social events. When the weather's nice, people head outdoors. Parks, picnics, and playgrounds are popular. National parks offer hiking, camping, and a break from city life. Family vacations are a tradition. Road trips, beaches, and theme parks like Disneyland create lasting memories. Summer trips are especially popular when kids are out of school. Fun is about spending time with family and friends, making memories, and enjoying the moment. Whether at home or on the road, Americans know how to play. That's how they unwind. To understand America, look at its values: freedom, independence, and equality. Freedom means people can think, speak, and live as they choose, as long as it doesn't harm others. Independence is taught from a young age. Being self-reliant is admired. The self-made story is powerful. Hard work can lead to success, no matter your background. This is the American dream. Opportunity for all who work for it. Equality is a core belief, though America is still working to achieve it fully. Fairness and justice are important goals. America is a society. People from all over the world bring their own traditions. This mix creates a vibrant, ever-changing culture. Diversity and self-expression are celebrated. Americans value being themselves and respecting others' differences. That's the heart of American culture. That's our quick journey through American life. We've seen friendly people, unique homes, and a love for both fast food and home-cooked meals. Life is busy, but there's always time for fun and family. Cars, convenience, and big dreams shape daily routines. Deep values, freedom, independence, equality, guide the culture. America is a mix of people from everywhere, always changing and growing. It's not perfect, life can be stressful and expensive, and the country is still working toward its ideals, but optimism and the belief in a better future are strong. From small towns to big cities, there's something for everyone. Thanks for joining me on this tour. I hope you have a better sense of daily life in the USA. Maybe one day you'll see it for yourself. Bye.